The big question, is ChatGPT still worth using in 2025? Or have better AI tools taken over? Let's break it down. In 2025, AI has exploded. We've got Perplexity, Claude 3, Gemini, all powerful. They can search live data, give citations, and even talk back in real time. So, is ChatGPT outdated? Not exactly. Why? Well, ChatGPT, especially GPT 4.5 and custom GPTs, is still a beast. It's perfect for coding, content creation, brainstorming, even learning. Tools like Gemini may be flashy, but ChatGPT still wins in 3 areas: speed, simplicity, and structure. First, speed. You've probably used it. Type your prompt, then wait, and wait. Some tools make you pay extra for faster answers. But with ChatGPT, it's almost instant. Once you get past the initial message, responses come quickly. Whether you're chatting, writing code, or getting ideas. Second, simplicity. The interface is clean. There's no ads, no confusing menus. Just type and chat. And it's not just the design. ChatGPT is built for conversations. Other tools may have more features, but ChatGPT is easier to use, especially for beginners. Third, structure. Your prompts are saved, making it easy to continue a conversation or save ideas. Other tools may be better at specific tasks, but ChatGPT is reliable and consistent. It's like having an AI friend who's always ready to help. And here's the secret. It works offline with apps like ChatGPT, Microsoft Edge, Copilot, and more. Plus, it has a huge plugin ecosystem. Also, it's improving every month. OpenAI is adding new features and learning from other tools. So that's the good news. But every tool has its limits. ChatGPT can't do everything. It doesn't know about events after September 2021. It can't give citations or do source-backed research. That's where tools like Perplexity AI or Scholasty can help. Smart people use a combination of tools. Here's how I do it. First, I use ChatGPT to create content ideas, outlines, even code snippets. Then I use Perplexity to check facts, find sources, and get different perspectives. Finally, I use Claude to add context or get a summary of a complex topic. This is the 2025 AI workflow. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming. It's like talking to a friend. You bounce ideas off each other and your friend gives you feedback. Sometimes you need to check the facts or look for sources. That's where Perplexity comes in. It's like having a research assistant who can dig through books and articles. And when you want to add context or get a summary, Claude is your go-to person. It's like having a wise mentor who's read everything. So is ChatGPT still worth using in 2025? Absolutely. It's a powerful tool that can help you work smarter, not harder. If you're into tech, AI, or productivity tools, hit the subscribe button. I'll show you free tools, smart shortcuts, and coding tips every week. Quick question, what's your favorite thing about ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments. And if you're up for more, check out my latest video on the best AI tools for productivity. Thanks for watching.